Feed the Pack has category limits to ensure that no matter what time patrons visit throughout the day or what day of the week, they have an equal access to the number of items that are available in the pantry. So for example, in the fall of 2024, we had about 400 visitors each week. So to make sure that everyone has equal access to different items, we came up with the category limit system. Feed the Pack has 6 different categories. They are listed on this whiteboard in the pantry space. We have produce items, non-food items, refrigerated items, frozen items, shelf-stable items, and bakery items. We also have some products that don't belong to any category. This includes pet food, baby food, menstrual hygiene products, and baby and child care products. All of these categories have a take one limit like they have had previously. The items in the fridge category exclude produce and bread and bakery, but includes anything else that you might find in the refrigerator, including dairy products, tofu products. The produce category includes any produce item that you find both in the refrigerator and also on the dry shelf. The bread and bakery category is explained on these sheets that are on the refrigerators and the freezers that bread is in. Bread and bakery items are broken down into 3 subcategories. Bread loaves, that includes whole wheat bread, sandwich bread, and pita bread. Assorted breads, which includes half loaves, hamburger buns, and bagels, as well as bakery items, which includes cakes, pastries, muffins, and other bakery items. These limits will be specified on these sheets that are posted on the freezers and the fridges. The non-food category includes any personal hygiene items, dental hygiene items, paper products, and flowers, which are over by the fridge. Some items don't belong to any category. For example, pet food. These items will be marked specifically with a little label that says no category, take one. The frozen category includes any items that you find in the freezer that are not bread or bakery products. The shelf-stable category includes essentially everything else that hasn't been mentioned already. So all of our canned goods, snacks, pasta, baking supplies, and whatnot belong in the shelf-stable category. Basically, if it's not frozen, if it doesn't belong in a refrigerator, and you can eat it, it's in this category. The shelf is probably the most confusing because it actually contains items from multiple categories. The top shelf where bread goes belongs in the bakery category. This middle shelf that has baby food belongs to no category, as you can see with this no category limit sign. And then all of the drinks belong to the shelf-stable category. So I'm going to walk you through an example of a basket of items that a patron has picked out. If we start with the bakery category, we can see that they have one bakery item, they have one loaf, and they have one item that's a part of assorted breads, as well as one bagel. This all follows our category limit, so our patron is following the category limit with the bakery items. If we move on to frozen items, at the time of filming, the category limit is 2 unique items. We see here that they have a breakfast pork and they have a ground beef item. So these 2 items are following the frozen category limit of 2 unique items. If we move on to fridge items, at the time of filming, our category limit is 3 unique items. However, yogurt is a take 2 item. So here they have tofu, milk, and 2 yogurts. This take 2 item counts as 1 item towards the category limit. So these 3 items are following the fridge category limit. If we move on to produce, our category limit is currently 8 items. We can see that they have a potato, a bunch of bananas, a spinach, some carrots. What else in here? And 2 bell peppers. Now at the time of filming, bell peppers is a take 2 item, and if you ever need a refresher on what items are currently take 2 in the pantry, you can look at our take multiples whiteboard that is posted by the checkout. So here I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unique produce items. That falls within our 8 unique item category limit, so they have the proper amount of produce items. Next, I'm going to move on to shelf stable. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 unique items. At the time of filming, small snacks is a take 2, so this counts as 1 item. They have 10 items here, and that fulfills the shelf stable category. Lastly, we have non-food, so they have 1, 2, 3 items that count towards the non-food category. And then we also have some tampons and some pet food. These do not belong to any category. At the time of filming, they are a take 1 item, which the patron has done. So here we have their full fleet of items that they've selected at Feed the Pack, all of which follows our category limits. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Alrighty. So I see here you have 3 items that are in our frozen category. However, our limit is currently 2 items, so I will need to put 1 back for you. Which item would you like me to put back for you today?
This one.
Okay, thank you.